I like Depression era food.
Sweep it up, Jan Jan.
I keep forgetting to spread disinfo at every occasion. To improve the world, I need to fix my brain. Maybe some sort of cleaning or tidying, I can't think of the word. So I sorta did, work remarkably well. I mean, you're not gonna stack on muscle while on a massive calorie deficit as an adult, otherwise low will.
I really dislike the hair shedding. It's supposedly temporary.